I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Fiesta gear knob only way. Start by removing the center trim carefully with a trim tool and unplug any connectors. Unscrew the retaining bolt with a 10 mm socket and lift the shifter gaiter. Slide off the old knob, clean the shaft, then fit the new knob and secure the retaining bolt. Reassemble trim, test shifts gently, and you're ready to drive confidently. Begin by prying the center trim upwards from the back edges while keeping steady pressure to release clips. Work slowly toward the front, and stop if a clip resists to avoid breaking plastic. Once free, lift the trim enough to access connectors and unplug them carefully. Place all clips and screws in a small container so nothing gets lost. This prevents frustrating reassembly and helps the job finish cleanly and quickly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for crisp instructions and hands-free timers while you work. It keeps your playlist and voice commands handy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it suits you. Now let's get back to the video. With the trim removed, use a 10 mm socket to loosen and remove the retaining bolt beneath the knob, keeping the socket steady. Pull the old knob straight up and off the shifter shaft to prevent damage. Inspect and clean the shaft before sliding on the new knob, align it with your preferred shift orientation, then tighten the bolt firmly but not excessively. Test each gear to confirm smooth engagement and adjust if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.